everyone, welcome back to Healthy Life Now. If you're on a journey to boost fertility naturally, you're in the right place. Fertility rates have been declining due to poor diets, environmental toxins, and reproductive health challenges. But guess what? Simple, nutrient-packed drinks can actually help. Today I'm sharing a fertility-boosting smoothie designed to support both men and women on their journey to conception. Stay tuned. So why is this smoothie so special? It's all about key nutrients like selenium and vitamin E. Selenium is essential for sperm maturation and motility in men and aids ovulation and embryo development in women. Vitamin E enhances reproductive health and balances hormones. This smoothie, which I've dubbed the Healthy Womb and Strong Sperm Smoothie, delivers these crucial nutrients in an incredibly delicious way. Here's what you'll need for two 250 milliliter servings: 1/2 avocado, rich in vitamin E and B vitamins, 6 Brazil nuts, the richest natural source of selenium. You can substitute with walnuts if you prefer. 1.5 cups of fresh orange juice, high in folate, which is essential for reproductive health. 2 tablespoons of wheat germ, packed with vitamin E and antioxidants. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, adds freshness and vitamin C. Now let's bring this fertility-boosting smoothie to life. First, crush the Brazil nuts in a mincer or chop them finely for a smoother blend. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Serve immediately and enjoy that nutrient boost. This isn't just any smoothie. The Healthy Womb and Strong Sperm Smoothie acts as a natural fertility enhancer. It improves physical performance, acts as a natural aphrodisiac, boosts antioxidant levels to fight oxidative stress, helps regulate nutrient absorption, and supports reproductive health. Couples trying to conceive should aim for 3 to 5 servings per week, and you may just experience some pleasant surprises along the way. Are you ready to boost your reproductive health naturally? Give this smoothie a try and let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural health tips and remedies. See you in the next video. Healthy Life Now, healthy life to the core, the life.